Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Chemistry for Beginners. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to discuss about the topic protein. Today we will discuss what are proteins. Proteins is a macronutrient that is fundamental for muscle mass. Proteins are fundamental part of our muscles. It is regularly found in animal products, but sometimes protein is also present in different sources other than animals, like in nuts and vegetable. Proteins are basically made up of different types of amino acids. We can say that amino acids are the building block of proteins. Proteins are known as macromolecule because there are many different amino acids combined in different formats to make different types of protein. Almost 20 different types of amino acids are known, but these 20 different amino acids are connected to one another in different through different bonds and make thousands of different kinds of protein. When the hydrolysis of protein take place, then we get amino acid in their unit form. What is hydrolysis? Hydrolysis is basically the cleavage of covalent bond by the use of water. When something break down in water, then we can say that this process is known as hydrolysis with the help of water. Proteins are huge complex molecules. They are present in different parts of the body. There are vast majority of proteins work in different cells and different functions and perform different function. We can say that our body is inappropriate in functioning without protein. Proteins are very necessary component of living things, and we can say that it is the most important biomolecule. If you like our video, then please press the like button and share with your friends. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel, and please press the bell icon to get notification for all the incoming videos. Inshallah, in future we are going to discuss about the protein structure, protein foods, and importance of protein, and what is the daily intake of protein. Inshallah, in our incoming videos we will discuss all the topics in detail.